Hey friends, today we learn how to create group on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook. Click on three lines in the upper corner. Then here you see groups option. Simply click on. When you scroll down, up and down, here you see a plus icon. Simply click on. Click on create group. Name your group. Select a privacy. If you want to make it public or private, simply click on. Then click on next. Click on create group. Click on search bar and here you can invite friends to join your group. After that, simply click on next. Upload a cover photo by simply click on. After upload a cover photo, simply click on next. Then describe your group. Why you create this group? After describe your group, simply click on next. Then choose your goals. Why you create group? I simply select buy and sell. Then click on next. Then click on post. After post, click on done. And you successfully create group on Facebook. And if you want to invite more people, simply click on invite and invite your friends to join your group. If you like our video, please subscribe.